Here at Titan Applicators, we specialize in spray foam and specialty coatings, but the biggest thing that we specialize in is making sure our customer is completely happy at the end of the day. And we knew that we could really make a big difference in the industry, not only because these products are cutting-edge products making a difference in the future of construction in general, but we also knew that we could bring something else to this industry that not a lot of guys are doing. The attention to detail that we do on every job, and just the things that we knew that we could do a better job at, and the things that we could provide someone else that is definitely being missed right now, just in the things that we saw personally. My dad taught me a long time ago, he told me, hey, you're never going to get rich off one job. Make sure that you give a good quality product, and the rest will speak for itself. It's a long time coming. Business takes a long time. Growing that reputation takes a long time, but it is something that we've always really pride ourselves on. Every job that we do, we want to give the best we can and provide something to that customer that no other company can.